It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. Dear everyone, for what it's worth, I'm still convinced that the all-time high for XRP was a full year ago. If I could have somehow managed to magically raise its price to $4, I would have been the proud owner of XRP at that time. But ever since then, I've come to believe that the moment to hold XRP is right now. If you've been an XRP holding since the peak, you've missed the finest moment. The legal clarity, the fact that the market is bullish, and other metrics that I have mentioned on this channel are just a few of the many reasons for this. Here I'll show you a sentiment analysis from a chain analytics organization that reveals XRP is one of the 5 most profitable assets, and I'll even explain how they arrived at that number. I feel like this would shock some people, but it's true. I want to clarify that I do not come from a financial background. Secondly, I want to share with you a post that I made earlier today on the social media platform X. I believe that XRP is treated differently than other coins, including Bitcoin, and I have some ideas about why. No matter what I say or do, you shouldn't put your money where your mouth is, since I'm not a financial advisor. As a hobby and for fun, I enjoy making films on YouTube regarding crypto-related subjects. I'm just an enthusiast. Great, so I guess we can dive right in. Despite its problems, XRP is still one of the 5 most profitable assets, according to the headline from the Crypto Fundamental Statistics. And you may be wondering, how on earth is that even feasible? Do you mind telling me how you intend to evaluate XRP's performance? It's looking very pitiful in comparison to Bitcoin and Solana, isn't it? For the past 2 years, XRP has looked well when compared to the US dollar. On the other hand, this metric intrigues me. A lot of individuals are really confident in XRP and are willing to hold on to it no matter what, which is something you'll notice as we go along. Even if there was a newly found technical flaw in the code that caused irreversible damage, I would still be one of those people who insists on saying anything regardless. Yeah, I get it, but unless something really catastrophic happens, I don't see XRP's adoption stalling anytime soon. According to Sentiment, a platform that tracks user behavior, XRP is still one of the 5 most profitable mainstream assets, even though its price has been volatile. This new information comes as stablecoin teasers have been building around XRP's failure to reclaim the crucial price threshold since it fell below 60 cents on April 12. Despite occasional price upswings in the market as a whole, XRP has struggled to break through the 50-cent level for over 2 months. Despite this, XRP has managed to hold on to the 50-cent support, which is a sign of its sturdiness. However, investors are still worried about the lack of excitement in the market. I should mention that XRP did fall below 50 cents yesterday, but it hasn't plummeted that much. In any case, the majority of XRP in circulation is currently trading at a profit, according to Sanskrit's recent report, which is quite interesting. Supply and profit data were made available by the on-chain analytics resource. Metric. For those unfamiliar, this metric determines how much a token is worth today by comparing it to how much it was when it was initially listed on the blockchain. If the token's current profit or loss is less than its initial price, then this metric indicates that Sentiment is correctly calculating it. I'll get to that in a second, but for now, just know that it's directly related to the supply of tokens in circulation. My intention was to make a more general argument, though, as I hinted at earlier. Because I simply do not sell, there are many others who are as profitable to me. I got into crypto at the tail end of 2017, amid the wild alt season and all that. So I was at a loss for the first few years holding XRP, and most of my currencies during the accumulation era. That's what it was. I started buying when prices were falling, including with XRP, after the crypto bubble burst. I was down for what felt like an eternity during the bear market accumulating period, or at least broke even for XRP and a handful of my currencies. And yet, there are those who are simply like stuff, like myself. The market will rise in due time, even for XRP, which is currently trading at a suppressed rate, because of the SEC action. Despite this, and despite the fact that the broader crypto community has provided almost no support throughout the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit, XRP is still trading at a significantly higher rate. Good morning. On average, you can get XRP for around 25 cents. So, a 2x over those many years is obviously not ideal in the cryptocurrency market, but we also failed to experience a bull market. I mean, XRP did rise above $2. But that was the only reason it failed to reach a new all-time high. I just wanted to highlight that some people are making a killing right now. Even if you double the value, it's still better than the stock market. So yeah, it's good, obviously, in terms of what crypto is supposed to be. It is, but we got the shaft. As a whole, it serves to emphasize that, for the resolutely patient, it does continue to rise. Furthermore, I am certain that XRP will continue to reach new all-time highs and enterprise discovery. Although no one has proven anything conclusively, I maintain my conviction that this is the case. Looking at the sentiment metric, it also indicates that XRP has been around for a long time, and there isn't a huge influx of new XRP into the ecosystem every year. About 200 million XRP every year. Of course, XRP was created at the beginning of it all. However, if you're looking at the new supply, it's around 2.4 billion XRP per year, which is a significantly lower increase than many other chains, including Solana. By the way, if you're complaining about Ripple's dumping on the market, it's not so much the supply that's the problem. Demand should be your primary concern. Even if XRP hasn't been as competitive in that regard in the past, the market has followed suit. That is why I insist on stressing the need of being patient. In any case, no changes have been made to the status quo. According to this statistic, 98.3% of Bitcoin's circulating supply is profitable, making it the most profitable cryptocurrency by far. Ethereum follows in second with 95.1% of its supply in profit, but Bitcoin is still very close to its all-time high price of $73,000, which it reached on March 14th. Here is the post itself. As you can see, XRP has a profit margin of 78.8%. If XRP lacked durability, we would not be having this conversation at all. But now that it's 12 years old, everyone can see the bad parts and feel bad about it. However, I believe that those of us who are patient enough to hang tight and wait will be the ones who are not only satisfied with the result, but also proven to be correct. Because XRP has been the subject of much criticism, and I have some ideas as to why. I was considering similar issues when I originally shared this post on social networking platform X. View this now. I penned an article asking why XRP is constantly under fire for its perceived lack of utility, DeFi activity, NFT activity, and TVL, total value locked, programmer tasks, etc. The Bitcoin community, on the other hand, doesn't seem to be experiencing the same thing. Why is that? Well, one possible explanation is that many Bitcoiners don't perceive Bitcoin as much of anything beyond a store of value. Bitcoin is maybe the most technologically backward cryptocurrency ever made, so it's hard to blame them. I am now firmly of the opinion that these debates are enjoyable, and it is encouraging to see that the XRP community has higher hopes for XRP. It seems to me that a lot of it is emotional, so I'm not fond of what's motivating them. On the other hand, XRP's practicality is a major reason why our community has always had high hopes for it. The video ends there. Support my channel with a like and a subscription. Coming up shortly, farewell.